Hi guys, so I'm going to be cooking some breakfast. I'm going to be cooking some eggs and English muffin. Watch out for the time lapse and then we'll see you guys after. Hello everyone, welcome to my first mukbang video or mukbang. I don't know how to say it, but I am here with my boyfriend and
this is my plate.
Well, I made some eggs and English muffins. So this is going to be like a breakfast mukbang. And I have some fruit punch to drink.
Wawa.
Fruit punch. Can't really see our food, but you'll see it when we take bites and stuff. And you can't really see him.
Oh well, you're short. How's your day?
I'm not going to talk to someone I can't see.
What happened?
We'll go.
Now you can see me.
I can't see our food. There you go. Now you can see my food.
So what are you gonna be doing when I go to WrestleMania and Royal Rumble?
Sleep.
Sleep. Is Mom gonna sleep a lot? Yeah.
And maybe have dance parties and stuff in Israel.
That's good. Good job on the eggs.
Okay. Our son is right next to us, so if we're talking to someone, we're talking to him. If you hear him, he has some puffs.
Stay tuned to the end. At the end, we're gonna have a time lapse again of us eating fast.
In the beginning of the time lapse of me making food, and then the second clip of us eating, and then at the end will be the time lapse of the food showing and stuff. And when it's all done.
So you're gonna have this as the first clip, and then you're doing the time lapse after.
And then when I was making the food, I'll have that as first clip, then this.
Oh, okay.
And then. I watch a lot of mukbangs, and not a lot of people, and nobody does the time lapse of them making food. They just show how they make food.
Nice.
The more bigger I get on YouTube, I want the mukbangs to be more food as the time goes on. But right now I can only eat a little bit. Not even sure I can finish this whole thing.
I'll be good at this stuff. I eat a lot of food. Go to Wendy's, get 2 triple stacks, put them together, eat both of them. 6 patty burger.
I watch some girls that do mukbangs, and I give them a lot of credit. Critics, I don't know how they eat so much food. Plus, I teach myself watching them because a lot of them are fast food and stuff. And I always want some fast food. And where we live, we don't really have any fast food. We would have to drive like an hour and a half away just to get there. I love fruit punch.
Indeed. I wish I was in the stool still.
Why?
I feel short now.
I don't know if mukbangs are supposed to chew their mouth open, but I don't like to do that.
I don't care. But maybe in the next place we got where we can have a dining table, we can actually sit across the table. Instead of at the island.
Yeah, and this is their first mukbang, so I'm not sure how many he's gonna be in with me, but I want to eventually do more.
I'll definitely do it if we're cooking.
I'll definitely record us whenever we get fast food or something. But like if he already ate his food in the car, I would just wait till I got home and do mine.
But I always got 2 meals. I got one for now and one for later.
Okay, so maybe you can eat the other one for later.
Right now there's a windstorm outside, so if you see the lights flicker, that's why.
And it's kind of neat to do mukbangs with someone because what if you have nothing to talk about? That's what I was created to do by myself.
Yeah, I'm a big wrestling fan. I have my own YouTube channel. I do gaming stuff on there and I do wrestling stuff on there. We have a kid together. I'm barely on the channel, but Ezreal is the main focal point of this channel with her.
And I'm pregnant with my second one.
Yep. I'm still in shock about that.
At least an English muffin I can eat. I don't think I can finish the eggs. Want a piece of egg?
Bounce. That's what I have so far left. I just have this.
I have that. I eat slow plus I don't eat in front of a lot of people when I'm putting this video up, but not a lot of people are sitting in front of me.
This one has a lot of butter.
He likes my cooking when I do cook.
That's all I can do. Got 2 bites left and I can't
Some
even do it.
mukbangs do people don't finish the whole food. As I get better at knowing more about mukbangs, I'll get better at doing it. But like I said, this is our first one, so.
I think I would have finished it if it wasn't like too much butter on it. The first one was perfect. The second one was just too much butter. Ezra, can you stop that?
I'm throwing everything on the floor.
You're picking it up, you know.
No.
Little troublemaker. Finish my Wawa. I call it that because Ezra calls it that.
In the beginning, when I didn't know I was pregnant, I was able to eat a lot. But when I found out I was pregnant, now I'm not able to eat as much.
Oh, excuse me. Making room.
Hmm?
Making room by burping.
I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Oh yeah, I think when people go into the second trimester when they're pregnant, I think it gets better for them to eat a lot better than the first trimester. For the first trimester, you feel sick, nauseous a lot and stuff. I'm tired of chewing. He finished his whole food. Thank you. You like it?
I just wish that the last English muffin I ate was as good as the other two.
Rate the breakfast cooking 1 to 10.
9.
Really?
The eggs were best.
They're cold though, because we had to wait for the English muffin.
Okay, they're still good. The best eggs you ever made.
I know. I'm gonna take a few more bites and I'm gonna be done. Like I said, I can't really eat a lot right now.
I like making funny faces. Sometimes I make funny faces at her when she's yelling, and she thinks I'm making fun of her or something, and I'm just trying to lighten her mood up because she's yelling too much, and I hate when he tries to talk over me.
I don't yell too much.
Well, sometimes when you're mad, and I'm trying to relax you, I just make a funny face, but it just makes you mad at me. You know it's true.
Yeah, because you're a guy. I think you're making fun of me.
Yeah. That's almost at its 300 shot, and then we'll be done with that one.
I don't know if we'll see how in time lapse. There it goes. I don't think I could finish my food.
Alright, let's check out what you got. There you go. That's what she has left. There's my plate, completely gone.
I'm gonna get going. Maybe he'll finish my food or something.
Alright, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!